journaling is probably as old as we can think of. And the reason why it survived and it's still here today, and it's even spreading, I believe, it's because it's efficient. So I would recommend giving some clear instructions to your client when it comes to journaling. Buy a specific book for that. Make sure you enter your name and address in case you lose it, so someone can give it back to you. For every entry, you need to enter the date, sometimes even the time. Don't try to write it clean and make it impeccable looking. No, that's not the point. This is a place where you write your thoughts, where you write about your emotions. What really happens when we have a journal is we have someone to share our emotions, to be able to really say everything we want to say. That, like someone that will never judge us and that will always be there when we need him. So that's very good. But to me, I'm almost shy to share it with you, but I really feel that this is the most direct connection with our unconscious. I explain. When you have a friend, when you are in love, when you want to love your job, you invest time, you invest energy, you invest your heart in it. When you have a journal, what happens is that you tell yourself, you are important enough, I want to connect with you. I want to take half an hour, I want to take 10 minutes, I want to take an hour to discuss with you. And you know what? Well, this inner voice is answering, and the person starts having some insights, beautiful insights, as if it was really a connection, a communication between the self and our unconscious self. And it's just beautiful what happens. So I don't see again any side effects of that, just positive effects. And it can be a beautiful release for the clients, especially those who are isolated, to have this friend they can meet regularly. One thing I'd like to add is the importance of writing every day, even if it's just a sentence. But the idea is to keep the momentum. And especially during a phase like this, someone with depression, this book notebook that they have can serve as a way to monitor their progress. They will look eventually a couple of months, oh my God, this is where I was. I can see that a lot has changed. And this in itself can also be very, very healing.